Racing just is started. We have good move, break quickly at the start. Moving up now at the outside. Salinas running by the Real Security General. Dagat and Kid. Then on the outside now is Speed Admiral caught in the Labi. Dr. Choice comes next while Mutia ng Pasig is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Security General by about 3 lengths. Salinas in second, 3 lengths further back. In third comes Dagat and Kid. Good move comes next. Labi, then next online is Speed Admiral caught in the act. Dr. Choice second less, while Mutya ng Pasig is still running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader, we have Security General by about 2 lengths. Salinas in second. Labi, good move. Now moving up on the outside. Down on the inside is Dagat and Kid. Speed Admiral caught in the act. Dr. Choice comes next while Mutya ng Pasig now running at the tail of the field. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Security General moving up on the outside. Salinas, good move, caught in the act. Also joining the last day swing forum. Salinas caught in the act. Now moving up on the outside and now saying it's my turn to take the last 75 meters. We have caught in the act followed by Speed Admiral and finally caught in the act. Speed Admiral, Dr. Choice, Salinas, good move for your pentatecta.
59784.
Caught in the act, selling 66,000 sa inyong daily double.